Guys, what's up, this here? June 21st, 2018. I've been trying to upload videos of how major internet issues around here. Anyway, we had about an hour of quiet time until now. We haven't. Okay, let me back up. This is our second round of storms. The round that was in central Kansas I was talking about in part 5 of the other video. I tried to film it coming in on my phone. I don't know if I did it because then I got phone calls, and I was trying to upload videos on this thing, delete some other footage off here, so it's been pretty hectic. I've heard the rumble that we just heard now, and I've heard 2 more rumbles before it. They were showing a lot of shelf clouds and stuff on the TV, you know, but I never seen the shelf. Never seen any weird clouds. Just got dark and real windy, and now it's raining. And the thunder and lightning is still out there to the west. So hope to hell we've got enough space on here. Whoa! You go out again? Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, man. That was our power. It went out earlier and came back on. It just went again. I hope the shit it don't stay out. Shit. That motherfucker's gonna blow or something. Well, if it does what it does, it won't go out and stay out, at least, I don't think. Oh, shit. This is a wild ass day now. Yeah, there was a ton of good pictures of shelf clouds, but I never seen the shelf in this storm. It's crazy. Hearing thunder though. So, I know I at least have about 26 minutes of recording after the power again. This is a crazy day. One of the crazy days I've seen in a long time. Depot rumbles of thunder. Is it still out? I've never seen 2 severe lines of storms back to back like this. I'll see if I got the video on my phone to save what I did catch of it coming in the best front, but I didn't get very much. I'll upload it before I upload this. It's really good. Not as much lightning with this storm, or this line as there was with the earlier one, but still producing. June 21st will be a day to remember for sure. For sure. like it. Yeah, I hope I caught that. There was a flash there. Yeah, the clouds with this round weren't, at least here at my location in Kansas City, weren't as impressive as they were with the first round this morning. But man, I see some crazy pictures out of Kansas right now at the same storm. Clouds out there, the shelf clouds, the low-level clouds. It was really, really cool. Didn't see all of it here. Looks like I filmed just in time to catch the main chicken of the storm, hopefully. Well, here, a lot more thunder. Starting to go. I hope that power ain't off too long. This is wind and rain combined. No hail, at least to my knowledge yet. Yeah, this thing's putting out a lot of lightning too, guys. Decent enough. Torrential downpour. Just goes to cover. Start to hear more thunder again. It's getting a little bit darker. It's not real dark like the last one was. The thunder is pretty constant. Hopefully you guys can hear it alright. Starting to get closer. I thought it was getting closer earlier, but maybe it's coming in for. feel it is thunder. It's rolling in. You guys can see the flash of the lightning if there is one. Probably one there. What an insane day. What an insane day. This is okay guys, it's 10:30 right now. Another one came here about 7:20. It lasts a lot longer than that. Things didn't quiet down until about 8:45. There's water rescues and everything going on. Helping the matter. I must say, I love thunderstorms, but I don't like it when they come back to back like this. Too much worrying about your energy. There's a space right now in this camera. Very near constant. More of a direct hit with this lightning core than it was the last one. Thunder's louder. That little fish shit again. It's quieter too. next time like this. I wish it was nighttime for this one. No cool clouds to be seen either. Look. Bet y'all seen that.
Yeah, the battery can go over. Yeah.
I think more of this is starting to shift over here to the south, guys. Southeast, but best view we can get here. Yeah, no doubt about it. neighbor over here off this walnut tree lost a dead limb earlier. I hope I God that it goes plaster. This one went until tonight. This one, we actually got another one scheduled for tonight.
Another one tomorrow afternoon.
Another one Sunday morning. We had at least another in this one.
I don't know if they all hit me as a question, but
See over to the south. And east. It's a little darker, but minus the clouds, it's a carbon copy of what happened this morning. Earlier this morning. Power out still.
that's what I thought.
Man. Oh, really? I would have figured there would have been water coming in now. Yeah, not too bad. About a 14-mile-an-hour breeze. You seen any lightning, or have you been looking? That's good. It's starting to taper off as far as lightning goes. No, no hail. Probably a good thing. I sure didn't see no shelf cloud or anything like they saw on the news. It just got dark and that was it. Yeah. They're saying we're gonna get another round tonight, I guess, after midnight. No, I know. You did? So what's gonna happen with the sump pump? Oh. Oh man. Not yet. Yeah. Twigs. You see that? It was over that direction though, thunder was. Slightly. I'll have to go get a buy another one. Well, I hope the hell the power comes on. Can't shoot pool in the dark. Yeah. There's another good one. Sounds like somebody. What that was? Pretty good. What's downstairs? Oh. Gotcha. We have some mean ass storms now. Pulled his iPad so much. Oh, real good. Well, I guess we both take a nap now. After this goes over, I got one video uploaded, and the other one was on like 95% processing, and then I just said, fuck it, I gotta get out of here. I'm glad I didn't wait no longer. So hopefully it went up, but I doubt it did. Man. There we go. It's out front. Yeah, they said that over in Kansas, that line, the leading edge, knocked out about 10,000 customers without power. Yeah, just for this one over in Kansas. So, man, I hope the hell it ain't out all day or something. It's gonna be shit. Yeah, but if it clears out, it's not gonna stay that way. That's gonna suck. Well, hopefully power will be back by tonight, but yeah, guys, I'm not gonna make this video go too much longer. This one was winding down. It was a doozy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, and I guess I'll start uploading videos. Man, if I run out of battery on this, I'm gonna be screwed. Who knows what I'll do? I might say fuck it and go back home and charge this shit. Oh man, if they got power. But yeah, I'm gonna stop this, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Whenever that gets uploaded, now we're just getting more distant rumbles. And, yeah, I gotta conserve battery. Alright, peace out after this rumble. That's where I CG over to my east. Alright, peace out. Every time I go and stop it. Alright.
Peace out, guys.